Hello. Today I want to talk about something very important. How to protect your personal information on your iPhone. Scammers specifically target seniors, and I want to make sure you are safe. I'm going to show you 5 simple things you can do right now to protect yourself. Before anything else, I need to tell you the most important rule. Apple will never call you on the phone and ask for your Apple ID password, ever. If someone calls you saying they are from Apple and asks for your password, hang up immediately. It is a scam. This is the #1 way seniors lose their personal information. First, let's check which apps can see your location. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. You will see every app on your phone. Any app that says Always, tap it and change it to While Using or Never. This stops apps from tracking where you are. Now let me show you how to spot a fake text message. Scammers always do one of 3 things. They say you won a prize, they say there is a problem with your bank account, or they say a package could not be delivered. If you get any of these texts, do not tap any link. Just delete the message immediately. Scam. 1. You won a prize. 2. Bank account problem. 3. Package not delivered. Next, make sure your iPhone can only be opened by you. Go to Settings and tap Face ID and passcode. If you have not set up Face ID yet, tap Set up Face ID and follow the simple steps. This means even if someone finds your phone, they cannot open it without your face. Now let's check what your apps are allowed to do. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Here you will see Camera, Microphone, and Contacts. Tap each one and check which apps have access. If you see an app that does not need your camera, turn it off. This stops apps from spying on you. Finally, if you think someone has stolen your personal information, do not panic. Do these 3 things immediately. First, change your Apple ID password right away. Second, call your bank and tell them what happened. Third, call a family member for help. You are not alone, and there is always help available. And those are your 5 simple steps to protect your personal information on iPhone. You are doing so wonderfully by learning this today. Remember, if something feels wrong on your phone, trust your instincts and ask for help. Please share this video with a friend who might need it. You could keep someone safe today. Subscribe for more free iPhone tips, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe